Good morning everyone. Now this morning we're going to be taking the wheels off of this brand new Wisper 806 Tailwind to put Tannus in there for the customer. We've also got to change the controller which is inside here because this bike has been taken for a full throttle and we have to change the controller to enable the throttle to work. So first of all, 18mm spanner, we undo these and the same on the other side, which you can do by hand after you've loosened them a little bit, remembering where all the washers go. So now the wheel drops out. And we take that one off like that. I'll put that one to the side. Now on the front here, we just have a quick release. So we just open it up and undo it a few turns, and then the wheel drops out of the front. So as you can see here, I've tilted the bike, I've took the cover off the front. Now we've got to get the cables out and the controller to replace it for our new one. So there you have it, controller is now out. We now have to undo all the plugs. Just like so. Then we grab our new controller. It's exactly the same, but just been programmed for the full throttle. We then plug it all back in, making sure that every connection works. Including the battery one. Always double check before that red goes to red and black goes to black. And then we pop it straight back in. Just like so. Now we grab our cover plate and we pop that back in. Just like so. Grab our screwdriver and do it all back up. All of our cables are nice and neat, all in there. And there you have it. That is a controller change for a Wisper. Right, so now we've put our Tannus in and we have pumped our tyres up. We are now going to put them back on the bike. So front one literally just slides in, do it up a couple of turns. And lock it off. Nice. And then the same for the back. Now when putting the back one in, we've got to make sure that we put it in the right way up, because we've got little slots in the washers for it all to go in. So first of all, we'll put that through there, through the cassette. We would then lift it up, get it all lined up properly, make sure our washers are correct, and lift it in. If need be, we can grab a 10mm just to jiggle it that little bit. Just like so. One side in and the other side in. Then we grab our washers, put that washer on, put this nut on, spin it up, hand tight, and the same the other side. Do it all up by hand. Then we grab our big spanner and lock it down. Just like so. Put the cap on. We plug our wire back in, making sure that the two arrows line up, just like so. And there you have it. One Wisper 806 Tailwind that has been full throttled with the change of controller and had the Tannus fitted to the tyres.